Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about chapter 7, which is discounts, trade, and cash. Trade discount amount and net price formulas. So it is simple to say that the trade discount amount equal the list price times the trade discount rate. As shown here in this example, we suppose that the list price is 11,550 US dollar and the discount rate is 25%. Then the trade discount amount will be 2,887.5. So it is normal, like, you want to buy a shirt and they make discount, for example, 10%, then how much you should pay after the discount. List price minus the trade discount amount equal the net price. So for example, something cost 10 US dollar and they make discount 2 US dollars, then definitely the price that I have to pay, which is the net price, will be 10 minus 2 and will be 8. For our example here, the discount amount, I show you here, okay, is this amount, and the list price, the original price, is this amount. Okay, now if we deduct the discount amount from the original price as shown here, we will get the net price that I should pay. Okay, there is another way to find out how much you should pay after the discount using the complement. In this figure, we show you what is the meaning of complement. Suppose that this part, okay, this part, 25% is the trade discount. So the rest, which is 100% minus this 25%, this is the rest, which is 75%, called the complement. So I can directly multiply the complement with the list price. So I get directly how much I should pay. We do it definitely. In this case, we do it in one step. In the previous way, we have to make it in two steps. First step, to find the discount amount, then we deduct this discount amount from the list price. But in this way, we directly find how much I should pay by multiplying the complement percentage by the list price. Single trade discount. We go for this example. The price of a Macintosh computer is 2,700 US dollar. The manufacturers offer 40% trade discount. So they offered 40% discount on this amount, which is 2,700. So what are the trade discount amount and the net price? So the trade amount or the trade discount amount is the list price multiplied by the percentage, which is 2,700 multiplied by 40%. And here 40% means 0.4 or 0.40. So if we multiply these two together, so we will get 1,080 US dollar. So this is the trade discount amount. So what is the net price then? The net price, as we said, the list price, the original price, minus the discount amount, which is 2,700 minus 1,080, and the result is 1,620 US dollar. So we did that in two steps, as you show, as you saw that. Uh, if we want to use the complement way, so we use it in only one step. We take the list price and multiply it by the complement. So if the discount is 40%, okay, the complement is of this 40% is 100% minus 40%, which is 60% or zero point 0.6. So if we take the list price and multiply it by 0.6, we get directly the price that I should pay. And you can notice here, so this is the amount exactly same as this amount. Calculating list price when net price and trade discount rate are known. So we have the following formula. List price always equal the net price divided by the complement of trade discount rate. If I know the net price and I know the complement trade discount rate, then I simply can find the list price before the discount. For example, a Macintosh computer has 1,620 net price and 40% trade discount. So what is the list price for this computer? Okay, so we just follow the formula. List price equal net price divided by the complement of the trade discount rate. So we first need to find the complement of trade discount rate, which is 100% minus 40%, which is 60%. And then we say list price equal the net price, which is 1,620 divided by the complement, which is 0.6. And we calculate this and we will find that the list price equal 2,700. Chain discount. Sometimes, for some companies, they give you discount. After 1 month, they give another discount. Okay. After some other time, give you another discount. So we will have, in this case, we'll have something called chain discounts. How to calculate the net price if the specific company make number of discounts, 2 or more discounts? We have to stop here and say, suppose that a company made 3 chain discounts, 20%, 15%, and 10%. It is wrong to say that 20% plus 15% plus 10%, which is equal 45%, is the discount that this company gave to me. No, this is wrong. It is not this way. How to do it? Actually, in simple way, by multiplying these chain, the complement of these chain discounts. So for this example, we have we have this chain discount, 20%, 15%, and 10%. So we first take the complement of each. So what is the complement of 20% is 100% minus 20%, which is 80% or 0.8. 15% is 100% minus 15%, which is 85% or 0.85. And 10%, the complement of 10% is 100% minus 10%, which is 90%, and we write it 0.9. So if you multiply these complements, so we will get 0.612 here, okay, which is the net price. So this is the net price. We take this number and multiply it by the list price, or the original price of the item. Before we take example using this way, we want to go for the normal way, okay, the way that everybody knows, okay. So now I gave you the price of one item is 10 US dollar, for example. I give you 20% discount, which is $2. Then you have to pay $8. Now the current list price is 8, not 10. The company give you another let's say 10% discount. Then this 10% discount will be applied to 8 US dollar and not the original $10. Okay, so let's take this example and see how it works. A price of office equivalent is 15,000 US dollar with a chain discount of 20%, 15%, 10%. What is the net price? So we start with the first discount. So we take this 15,000, multiply it by the 20% in order to get the discount amount. So in this case, we get this. Okay, this is the process. Okay, we get 3,000. It means that we have 3,000 discount from the 15,000. So in this case, how much I should pay? 15,000 minus this 3,000, which is 12,000. Okay, now the current price of the office equipment is 12,000. No more to talk about 15,000. After that, the company gave us 15% discount. So we take the latest price, which is 12,000, multiplied by the 15%. Okay, and you see this here. Okay, so we will get 1,800. What is this 1,800? It is the discount that the company give me now by this 15%. If the item price was 12,000 and now I give you a discount 1.8 or 1,800, then how much I should pay? Definitely we want to deduct them. 12,000 minus 1,800, which will be 10,200 here. Okay, so this is the price, current price of the office equipment. The company gave me another 10% on that. Then I need to find out the discount amount. So the discount amount is taking the current price, which is 10,200, multiplied by 10% or 0.1. So the discount amount now is 1,020. How much I should pay now? I should pay the latest price, which is 10,200, minus the discount amount, which is 1,020, and then we will get 9,180. This is the price after this three discounts or chain discounts that the company gave. So you notice that it is a long story, it is a long process. So instead of that, we can simply do it using the multiplication of the complement of this chain discounts. So we take the complement, 20%. What is the complement? Is 0.8. 15%, the complement is 85, and 10%, the complement is 90. We multiply all these values, then we will get 0.612 percent, okay, which is 61.2% or 0.612. So we take this value and multiply it with the original price, list price, which is 15,000, and then we directly get 9,180. Very fast. If we want to know how much the discount after this chain discount, simply basically it is 15,000. Now I pay 9,180, so we deduct this from that, and then we get 5,820. Now we go to calculate trade discount amount using single equivalent discount rate. It is the actually it is the same. It is what just discussed, but in here I want to just stop at this part. Okay, what is this part? Actually, after we calculate the complements and multiply them, so we get 0.612, and this value multiplied by the original list price, then we get how much I should pay. If I want directly, or the question asks me to find how much the discount, I can directly find the discount amount by finding the complement of this amount. So what is the complement of this amount? It is 1 minus 0.612. So this is the complement. Take the complement, multiply it with the original list price, which is 15,000, then directly you can get the discount amount, which is 5,820. Cash discounts. Okay. Sometimes a company or you buy something from a company, and they tells you that you have to pay this amount within 30 days, for example, less or more. But if you pay in the first 10 days, for example, then we give you discount. If you didn't pay within the first 10 days, then you will not take this discount. So this is what we are going to talk about now. We have to remember that companies, they don't give you discount on, for example, sales tax or any trade discounts or any returned goods, for example. So they don't give discount for that. The credit period that I mentioned, for example, for 1 month or for 30 days, in this example here, starting, for example, from 1st of March until 31st of March, but you can take a discount if you pay from 1 March until 10 of March, as shown in the second part. Okay, now we will take examples for that. This is example for any invoice. If You buy something from any company, then this invoice have invoice date, invoice time, and then the amount, the due date, and some information. I think that everybody or most of you knows that. We have different methods of paying. First of all is ordinary dating method. We use the following term. Okay. 2/10 n/30, and we read it as 2010 net 30. 2010 net 30. So what is sorry, 210 net 30. What is 210 net 30? 2%, it means 2%. Okay, this is the discount percentage that the company gives you. It is 2%. So what is this 10? 10, it means you take this 2% as a discount if you pay within the first 10 days from the date of invoice. Okay, and in 30 or net 30, it means that the due date to pay the amount is after 30 days. Okay, take this example. Okay, $400 invoice dated July 5 using the terms 210 in 30 paid on July 11 using the ordinary dating method. So for simplicity, we just draw this sketch. Okay, notice that invoice dated July 5, so we start July 5. Then in 30, it means we end on August 4. Oh, that is 30 days. 30 days, you notice here, it is 30 days. Okay, and 10 days or 210, it means you take this 2% as a discount within the first 10 days. So starting from 5, then plus 10, it will end where? On July 15. From 5 to 15, this is the 10 days where you can get this 2% discount. Now, when you paid that, you paid on July 11. So where is July 11? Is it before? Is it before or after this line of July 15? So July 11 definitely exists where? Exists in this part. Make it exist in this part. So you are willing to take this 2% discount. Now, the 400 multiplied by the 2%, which is 0.02. Not 0.2. 0.2, it means 20%. But it is only 2%, so it is 0.02. So we multiply the list price, which is 400, times the rate, discount rate, which is 0.02. So we will get the result $8, which is the discount, which is the discount amount. Okay, so we how much okay, you should pay. Now it is 400 minus this amount or this discount amount, which is 392. Okay, another way is receipt of goods using the same terms. For example, here we used 310 and 30 ROG cash discount period begins when the buyer received the goods. It's not from the date when we bought the item. It starts from the date when we receive the item. Again, the same thing. Let's take this example. 900 US dollar invoice dated May 9. So we start, the invoice started in day 9, but we received on July 8th. So my 30 days period starting from July 8th and not from May 9. So we can just show you here. So this is the date when we receive the goods, and then this is from here up to here. So we have 30 days, and you get discount 3% within the first 10 days. It means from here to here. Okay. Continue with the example. Term T10 and 30 ROG paid on July 20. So where is July 20? Is it before 18 of July or after 18 of July? Definitely it is here. So in this case, I am not willing to take the 3% discount, so I have to pay the full amount, which is 900 US dollar. End of month, another method. Okay, 110, end of month, 1% discount amount up until the 10th of the following month, not the current month, or not from the date of invoice or from the date when I receive the item. It is from the date or the first day of the next following month. For example, 600 US dollar invoice dated July 6. Terms 110, end of month. So yes, it is July 6, but we using this method end of month, we started from the next month, which is August. My 30 days starting from 1st of August until 30 of August, and then we consider the same procedure as before. The first 10 days in August, you are willing to take the discount, which is 1%. So we continue with the example. We paid on August 10. So where is August 10? August 10, it is here. It is the last day that you are willing to take this discount, so we take discount. My amount is 600 multiplied by the rate, which is 1% or 0.01. So the result will be 6 US dollar. This is the discount amount. We deduct this discount amount from original amount, which is 600, and the result will be 594. This is the amount that I have to pay. Or using here, using the other method that we mentioned before, the complement method. Okay, we have also end of month, the same method that we mentioned, but comes with rule, says 25th rule. This 25th rules always skip a month. We don't go to the next month. So if I bought an item in 29 of May, I don't go to the next month, which is 1st of June. I skip 1 month, so I skip June and go to July. Okay, take example. 800 US dollar invoice dated April 29. It is the first point on the sketch. Terms 210, 2% discount in the first 10 days. End of month, paid on June, May. Okay, so this is 29 of April. We are using end of month and using 25th rule. So we skip 1 month. So we have April, we skip May, and then we start in June here. Okay, and then take 30 days. We end in 30 of June, and we have this first 10 days where we are able to take this discount. So we paid on June 18. So June 18 is here after the discount period. So we will not take a discount on this 80 US dollar, and we have to pay the whole amount. Partial payment. Okay, sometimes I have to pay for the company the price of one item, which is, for example, 100 US dollar. But in the first week, for example, I pay half of this amount, and I am able to take discount on this half of the amount, and the other half is after the discount period, and I will not take discount for the rest of the amount or the other half of the amount. Take example, Molly owes 400 US dollar using the terms 210 and 30. Within 10 days, Molly sent in a payment of 80. So during the first 10 days, she paid 80, and this 80 is okay, able to take the discount, which is 2% or 0.002. We will see how the case will be after she paid this first 80 and what is the rest that she is supposed to pay. We may do it this way. We may take the complement of the 2%, which is 0.98. So to make the things easy, or using the complement, which is the simplest way. Then we take the amount that she paid, which is 80%, and we divide it by the complement. We take this example before that. We take amount and divide it by the complement. In this case, we get the amount 81.6. So I pay 80, but actually I paid 81.6 because they gave me discount, and this discount I paid also as part of the original amount, which is 400. So I pay 80, but basically or originally I paid 81.63. So what is the rest of the amount is will be 400 minus the amount that I already paid, which is 81.63. So the rest of the amount will be 318.37. And this is the end of the chapter. Good luck.